You ever wonder why all the health nuts are recommending Greek yogurt? Well, I'm gonna tell you why. The reason why Greek yogurt is usually recommended over stereotypical yogurt like Yoplait in the store is because of one simple thing, and that is the protein content. In 2/3 cups of plain Greek yogurt, right? This is plain Greek yogurt with no flavor to it. There's actually 17 grams of protein in 2/3 cup, 100 calories, 7 grams of carbs, 7 grams of sugar as well, but there's no added sugar in this. That sugar is from the lactose, which is natural milk sugar or dairy sugar. Long story short, that's usually why I recommend people to try to stick to Greek yogurt. It's not necessarily that it's better than regular yogurt. It's just a simple fact it has more protein, and a lot of people are neglecting protein in their diet, just don't get enough of it, or they want to increase their protein intake because it helps to keep you full so you won't overeat on those maybe not the best foods like cookies, cakes, donuts, etc.